Okay, well, it's all fixed.
Yeah, what do you want?
Yeah, the air freshener exploded.
I didn't even know those things could explode.
I didn't know either.
Why didn't you call me on the phone?
Yeah, I would have called you on the phone, but there's blood all over it.
Blood? You know what? Have you read the repair manual?
The manual? There's a manual for the air freshener?
There's a repair manual for everything.
Do we really even need an air freshener? Let's be realistic.
Yes, we absolutely need the air freshener.
Look, Clinton, everything you need is in that repair manual. Otherwise, just leave me alone if you can't find it.
Alright, well look, man, I'll check out the manual. I'll see what it says. I got a lot of work to do, man. I gotta go. I'm sitting in Deese's chair. This is not a good day for me. Alright, over and out. I really gotta fix things around here. Got you there?
Yeah, what do you want?
Yeah, man, I'm looking at these instruction manuals and I'm not seeing volume 1.
Why are you even worried about volume 1?
Yeah, now that I think of it, these are like from 1957. I don't think they had air fresheners back then.
Well, Clinton, that's your problem.
Yeah, that's definitely a problem.
Just keep working on it, Clinton. You'll get the hang of it soon enough.
Keep working. Okay. Not a problem. Hey Kyle, you there?
What do you want now?
Yeah man, this is like my weekend and I was just hoping I could come back and worry about this stuff later in a couple of days.
That's a negative, rubber ducky.
No?
You know, Clinton, sometimes you just gotta eat the burnt lasagna.
You're breaking up.
You know, Clinton, I was in that position once where I just had to listen
I
to
have-
everybody,
go
you know, call me
now.
all the time and constantly
Later.
ask me to help.
Asshole.